how to do things. Welcome back, nature enthusiasts. In today's video, we're going to take you through the exciting process of building a pond. Whether you want a serene water feature or a captivating waterfall, we've got you covered. We'll also discuss the types of plants and animals that can thrive in your backyard pond, as well as the cost of building and maintaining it. So, let's jump right in. Before we start digging, let's lay out the groundwork for your pond. Choose the location. 1. Selecting a suitable location for your pond, considering factors like sunlight exposure, nearby trees, and accessibility is an important first step. 2. The size and shape of the area will influence the design of your pond. 3. Determine the size and depth. 4. The different factors to consider when determining the size and depth of your pond, such as available space, desired fish or plant life, and local regulations. 5. The average pond size ranges from 100 to 500 square feet, with a depth of around 2 to 3 feet. 6. Larger, deeper ponds tend to provide a more stable environment for aquatic life. 7. Obtain necessary permits. 8. Depending on your location, you may need to obtain permits or permissions for building a pond. 8. Check with your local authorities. 9. Gather materials and tools. 10. Gather materials and tools required for the project, including pond liner, rocks or stones, a pond pump, a filtration system, if desired, a shovel, a wheelbarrow, and safety equipment. Let's start by building a beautiful pond without a waterfall. This option offers a serene environment for plants and wildlife to thrive. Mark the pond's shape. 1. Mark the shape of the pond on the ground, using a rope or hose, and stakes. 2. Consider the importance of ensuring the shape is visually appealing and suits the overall landscape. 3. Excavate the pond. 4. Dig out the marked area, removing grass, rocks, and any obstructions. 5. Consider the ideal depth for different areas of the pond, considering the needs of plants and aquatic life. 6. Install the pond liner. 7. Install the pond liner, ensuring it covers the entire excavated area and extends beyond the edges. 8. Smooth out wrinkles and folds in the liner, creating a snug fit. 9. Add a layer of underlayment. 10. Lay down a protective layer of underlayment over the pond liner, preventing punctures and promoting longevity. 1. Fill the pond with water. 1. Fill the pond with water, using a hose or by connecting a water source. 2. It is important to monitor the water level to ensure it is evenly distributed. 3. Add rocks and decorative elements. 4. Arrange rocks or stones along the edges of the pond, creating a natural-looking border. 5. Consider the importance of incorporating additional decorative elements like floating plants, water lilies, or a fountain. 5. More on plants later. Now, let's take your pond to the next level by adding a captivating waterfall feature. This will create a visually stunning focal point and enhance the soothing sounds of flowing water. Plan the waterfall design. 1. Planning the waterfall design, considering the desired height, width, and location within the pond is vital. 2. The terrain and available materials can influence the design options. 3. Build the waterfall structure. 4. Create the framework for the waterfall using rocks, bricks, or pre-formed waterfall units. 5. Stack and arrange the materials to achieve the desired height and cascading effect. 6. Properly size the pump. 7. Properly sizing the pump for the waterfall feature will ensure optimal water flow. 8. The flow rate required for the waterfall depends on the desired height, width, and volume of water to create an aesthetically pleasing effect. 9. A general rule of thumb is to choose a pump that can circulate the entire volume of the pond at least once per hour for ponds without fish, or twice per hour for ponds with fish. 10. A formula to calculate the required flow rate. Length, Ft, x width, Ft, x height, Ft, by 7.5, conversion factor, 3600 seconds, equals required flow rate, gallons per hour. 11. Select a pump that matches or slightly exceeds the calculated flow rate. 12. Install the pond pump and tubing. 13. Explain how to install a pond pump near the base of the waterfall structure, using a tub or reservoir to collect and recirculate the water. 14. Demonstrate the proper placement of tubing to direct water flow from the pump to the top of the waterfall. 15. Arrange rocks and boulders. 16. Show how to strategically place rocks and boulders around the waterfall structure, ensuring a natural and visually appealing appearance. 17. Discuss the importance of securely positioning the rocks to maintain stability. 18. Test the waterfall. 19. Turn on the pond pump to test the waterfall's flow and adjust the positioning of rocks or the flow rate as necessary. 20. Emphasize the importance of ensuring proper water circulation for the overall health of the pond ecosystem. Congratulations on building your own stunning pond. Now, let's cover some important maintenance tips and final touches to complete the project. Add aquatic plants and fish. 1. Consider the benefits of incorporating aquatic plants, such as water lilies, lotus, or submerged plants like anacharis or hornwort, to enhance the pond's aesthetics and provide shade and oxygen. 2. Have you considered the possibility of adding fish to the pond, such as koi or goldfish? 3. Be sure to research the needs of any fish added to the pond. 3. We want to provide proper care, monitoring, and provide adequate space and filtration for our pond-dwelling friends. 4. Consider native plants. 5. Using native plants in and around the pond is key, as they are well adapted to the local climate and ecosystem. 6. There are many native aquatic plants, such as water iris, pickerelweed, or arrowhead. 6. What are your favorites? Be sure to comment below to help others find amazing plant ideas for their project. 7. Create planting zones. 8. Create different planting zones within the pond, including shallow areas for marginal plants and deeper areas for submerged plants. 9. Carefully plant the aquatic vegetation, ensuring the roots are securely placed in the substrate. 10. Provide hiding spots. 11. It is important to incorporate rocks, submerged branches, or artificial caves in the pond to provide hiding spots for fish and amphibians. 12. Hiding spots create a more natural habitat and protect the animals from predators. 13. Encourage wildlife. 14. A well-designed pond can attract various wildlife, such as dragonflies, frogs, and birds. 15. Create a welcoming environment, such as offering perching areas or providing a shallow area with sloping sides for animals to access the water easily. 16. Regular cleaning and maintenance. 17. Stay current on routine maintenance tasks, such as removing debris, trimming plants, and checking and adjusting water levels. 18. Monitoring water quality parameters and addressing any issues promptly is key for success. 19. Landscaping and surrounding features. 20. Consider ideas for enhancing the pond's surroundings, such as adding rocks, gravel, or plants to blend the pond seamlessly into the landscape. 21. Consider the possibility of incorporating seating areas or walkways for a tranquil retreat. 22. Cost of building and maintaining a pond. 23. The cost of building a backyard pond can vary depending on factors such as size, materials, additional features like waterfalls or filtration systems, and regional cost variations. 24. A general construction cost estimate range of $1,000 to $5,000 for a basic pond without a waterfall and $5,000 to $10,000 or more for a pond with a waterfall feature. 25. Ongoing maintenance costs include electricity for running the pump, water treatments, fish food, occasional repairs or replacements, and estimated costs for plant maintenance. 26. Properly size the pump for the waterfall. 27. It is important to select an appropriate pump size for the waterfall feature. 28. The desired height and flow rate of the waterfall, along with the length and diameter of the tubing, will affect the pump's required power. 29. In selecting the right pump, consider factors such as the head height, flow rate, and any additional features like filtration or UV clarifiers. 30. Consider consulting with a professional or using online resources to ensure the pump is properly sized for the specific waterfall design. And that wraps up our comprehensive guide on building your own backyard pond, with or without a waterfall feature. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember, building a pond is a rewarding project that brings nature and tranquility right to your doorstep. Happy pond building!